dear students, we are discussing the comet part of ratio and proportion. We are beginning from question number 1 right now. I know you people have done the comet work because it was given as homework. But if suppose you have not understood any questions, so please match it those questions. Okay? Question number 1 is you have to find out ratio between 3 dozen to 4 score. Now remember, you are knowing 3 dozen means 3 into 12 4 pieces. It will give you 36. 4 score, 1 score means 20. So 4 score, 4 means it will become 18. Now you have to find out ratio of them. So it will become 36 by 18. You can cancel it by 2. Greater number 4. 4 9s are 36 and 4 20s are 80. So 9 ratio 20 will become answer of this particular question. Question number B is telling here you have to find out ratio between 45 seconds to 2 minutes. Now you are knowing 45 seconds is already in second. Another one is minutes. So 1 minute 60 seconds, 2 minutes it will be 120 seconds. Now the ratio will become 45 by 120. Now you can cancel directly by 15 as well. 15 3s are 45 and 15 8s are 120. So answer is 3:8. Question number C. C is telling here out of 35 children in a class, 14 are very helpful and the rest are non-helpful children. So out of 35 and 14 are helpful. Can you tell me how many are not helpful? 21 are not helpful? Yes. See, 35 are in total. 14 are helpful. Rest will be not helpful. That will be 35 minus 14, which will give you 21. 21 have come who are not helpful. Now it is telling to find out the ratio to helpful to non-helpful. So we have how many were helpful? 14. How many were not helpful? 21. Both can cancel by which table? 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Answer is 2:3. This question number 1 is totally done. Just a second.
Question number 2. Find the value of x. Here in question number 2, you have to find out the value. The first question is 8:10 proportion 16:x. Now you can see I have told you both the methods, so I am doing it by any of the method which right now coming to in my mind. Okay? You can also use any of the method which you like. Answer will remain same. From 8, because you are knowing this is the sign of proportion, that means in between there will be equal sign, because proportion means the both the ratios are equal. Now, how 16 come from 8? Multiplying by 2. Okay. Beta, this question I have taken this 8 by 8:10 and this is 16:x. In between the sign of proportion is there. Proportion means hota hai equal to. Fine. It means both the ratios are equal. Now you can see 8 is equal to 16. That means 8 se 16 kaise aaya beta? Multiplying by 2. So 8 into 2, 16 comes. The same way when you will multiply 2 with 10, what will come? 20. So that is why the value of x is written by me, that is 20. Okay? Now the same pattern of question. Question number B is 5:x. 5:x proportion 20:8. Okay? In the same way as we have done the previous one, the same will be done by this also. 5 upon x we will write down like this. 20 by 8 we will write it down like this. In between the sign will be of equal. Now you can see how 20 came from 5. Multiply 4. So which number you will multiply with 4 which you will get 8? 2, because 2 fours are only 8 comes. So that means x value is 2 in this. So these two questions are solved by us. You can also use the method product of mean, product of extreme wala. Okay? You can multiply the extreme and you can divide by 20. Then also you'll get the answer. Question number 3 is ratio of number of lemons to the number of glasses of water of lemon juice is 2:5. 2:5. It means number of lemons and number of glasses of water. It means जब 5 glass of water यूज किया जाता है जूस बनाने के लिए तो उसमें 2 लेमन यूज किए जाते हैं. ठीक है, जब हम 5 ग्लास जूस बनाते हैं तो उसमें केवल 2 लेमन्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. ठीक है, now it is telling in the question how many glasses of water will he mix with 12 lemons. It means हमें यहाँ पे lemon वाला part पता है because the first one is lemon, second one is glasses of water. ठीक है, equal to here also lemon and the ratio is here glasses of water. Just a minute. Okay, now you can see this. We don't know number of glasses of water. Can we put x? Because we don't know only. So this is unknown. We are using little algebra into it. Which is unknown, we have used x. Mr. Unknown is x. Now look at here. 12 by x is equals to 2 by 5. Okay. Now can you tell me how 12 से 2 came? Division or multiplication? Division by 6. It means जब हम 12 को 6 से divide करते हैं तो we get 2. So can you tell me which number will be divided by 6 to get 5? 30. 30 को जब हम 6 से divide करेंगे तो हमको आंसर मिलेगा 5. It means x value is 30. Means 30 glasses of water will be used for 12 lemons. Finished. Now next question is question number 4, which says us you have to find the ratio of half of 22 and 1/5 of 110. Half of 22 and you have to find out ratio. So I am putting the sign of ratio and 1/5 of 1/5 of 110. ठीक है? So what we will do, here are two things जिसको हमको solve करना, this and this. And when we will solve it, then we have to find out ratio as well. So what is the half of 22? 11. You can do it simply like this also. Half means 1/2. Off means multiply. 22 will become 22 only. 11. और आप चाहो तो directly लिख सकते हो that 22 का half कितना होता है 11. So you can simply write 11 as well. Now the same way 1/5 of 110. 1/5 मतलब 1/5. Of means multiply 110. Now can you divide 110 by 5? What will come? 22 is only coming. Okay. So here when you will cancel, you will get it 22. So we are getting 11:22. Can you tell me, is it simplest one? It is not simplest. Yes, you can simply write it down 11 1 side. 11, 11 2 are 22. 1:2 will be the answer for it. Okay. How many of you have tried question number 5 and got the answer as well? You have done, Sanat, I know. It is there in this. Question number 5, which is there. Okay, good. Let us see question number 5 solution now. A family of 8 people is entitled to have a ration of 6,400 grams of sugar. 8 kg of sugar will be used by how many people? Now look at here. यहाँ पर बता रहा है people are 8. ठीक है, when people are 8, they have the sugar consumption as 6,400 grams. Okay, and when they have 8 kg of sugar, we have to find out now how many people will be there. Okay, it means this is missing again. It is again a form of proportion. You can use it, but what is missing into it? Can you tell me what is the wrong part here? Like you can tell that it is an odd part. I have discussed this type of question with you. This is gram. This is kg. There is no connection now. You cannot solve it till you don't have the same unit into it. Can you tell me 1 kg is equals to how many gram? 1000. K word comes for 1000. Okay, so kg, 1 kg means 1000 gram. So in place of 8 kg, what can I write? 8000 gram. Okay. Now one step is done. Now इस रेशियो के फॉर्म में ही we have to take out this. So it means 8 ratio 6400 is equal to people we don't know because here it is people. अगर आप beginning में people लिखेंगे तो याद रखिएगा यहाँ पर भी people शुरुआत में ही होना चाहिए, ठीक है? और अगर आप यहाँ पे शुगर लिख रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर भी बाद में शुगर ही होगा, ठीक है? So what will come here? 8000. How 800? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, no? So now 8 upon 6400 is equals to x by 8000. Now you can solve the value of x. How we can solve it now? You can simply use the process. You can use the process of simplification as well. You can use the method of product of mean, product of extreme also. How to find out the value of x? This is also taught by me. How can we do that? We can simply multiply this. What answer comes, we can divide by this. Okay? Now, how can we do that? 8 into 8000. 64,000. This is product of extreme. Now we want the value of x. So we can do that 64,000 divided by 6400. Now look at here. 20 cancel. 640 divided by 64. What will come? 10 people. Value of x. That is why I taught you how to find out the value of x. That is very, very important.